Hi guys, today we'll show you how to install sample data with the new framework of WordPress. First, in the dashboard go to Opal theme. Next, click on Run Importer button. Then, hit on Import Demo Data and wait. You will see a collection of 24 unique homepage demos. Let's choose one of homepage demos you like. Click on Setup to install the data of Strollik product. Then, you'll receive a notification that the import process is done. And you can check it now. This is the homepage of Strollik product. Outstanding with 360-degree view of product. You also can import other homepage demos. Do the same steps with energy drink product demo. Now, the sample data of this demo is imported successfully for you. The homepage is stunning with eye-catching images and well organization. Go back to the dashboard and let's set up Coffee Maker product demo. Great. Let's check the result. The demo data is installed quickly and ready to use. That's all for sample data installation guide. Thanks a lot for watching.